Hi there! After covering our 1979 Cherokee Chief, we are covering our Cherokee Golden Eagle, which was basically built at the same time as the Chief. Same treatment, full frame off restoration, ground up, sandblasted metallized body, sandblasted galvanized powder coated frame, everything brand new. Nice Levi interior, AM FM CB radio, AMC 401, TH400. We're currently building 4 other of these cars, these Cherokees. Maybe there's one for you in there. Give us a call, 832-475-1822, and we'll build the Cherokee of your dreams. Info@jeepheritage.com.